Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my art channel. Tonight I'm working on a 24 by 36 inch canvas, deep edge, and I have it on my spinner from Erica Hughes. I believe her website is ericahughes-art.com, so you can order it. And I love that I can do a large canvas on this spinner. It has these great little clips. I don't know if you can see that there, but it has these great little clips on the arms that hold the canvas in place. So as I'm spinning it, I can be confident that it will stay in place, but they are adjustable. So if I want to adjust my canvas halfway through, I can just move them. So I love this little spinner. Okay, so I'm working on a commission piece tonight. My new friend Nancy wants to replace a couple of the existing paintings that she has in the house that she inherited from the previous owner, and her house is a lot of gray tones. So I'm going to do a split color base coat blowout kind of thing here. Her only instructions was she wanted to bring the outside in. We talked about the jungle greens and the blues and turquoises of the ocean, and I'm going to throw in some gold and some white in there for contrast. But I'm going to do a split color base, and then I'm going to drizzle some colors in the middle, and then I'm going to blow them out with my mouth and hopefully get lots of splatter blows that really move the paint a lot. Her only other instruction besides the colors was that she wanted lots of motion. So I'm going to do that, and her favorite piece of mine actually was a flick and spin. So I'm going to blow out a composition here, spin it a little bit, and then I'll do a flick and spin in the middle also. So I have, for my two base coat colors, I had mixed up some kind of dove gray with just chroma acryl white and black together. It was very soft dove gray. And then I had mixed up some Prussian blue. But the tones were just off just a little bit. So I thinned both of them down with some leftover paints that I scraped off of my table from a pearl pour. This is just a random color that I thinned it down with, but using this one color in both of my base coat colors gave me a unifying tone. So now they're beautiful together. And this has a slight blue tint to it, and this has is much lighter than Prussian blue normally would, phthalo blue normally would be. But that phthalo blue is very strong, so it's going to dry much darker than it appears at the moment. And on top of that, I have olive green light to put on top of that, and then I have some sap green from Amsterdam and some turquoise blue from Amsterdam. This is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. It's kind of similar to this. It's a little more turquoise. But even on the parts where I blow it over top of this, if it does nothing other than just add some flash, I'm happy with that. Then I have some Amsterdam Titanium White, and I have some Jo Sonja Pale Gold. I'm mixing up paint brands here, and I have some metallics, so I'm hopeful for some really pretty cells. And my consistency, what should I use to show you? I'll use this kind of dove gray color here. My consistency is a little thick for a blowout normally, but for the flick and spin, I want the paints a little thicker. So I think I'll get some really good splatters with this, and I'll rely on the spinning of the canvas to move the paint where I want it. Okay, so I think that's the whole process. When I do my flick and spins, my flicks, I may dip a balloon in the center just to create a focal point and to bring some of the lines together. But other than that, I think that's the whole process. So let me put some music on for you and I'll start painting.
Down and you're 10 feet underground. When you're so deep, you're about to drown. When you're in the lost and found, 'cause heartaches only last a day. Ooh, but your heart will never fade away. Go out and find your way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Sky meets the ground and draws a line. It's been true for the longest time. Just know that somewhere there's a sign. Either fate or the big sublime. 'Cause rainstorms always move away. Ooh. But you'll go till night turns into day. Go out and lead the way. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Ooh. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Don't let them take your soul away. Not a week, not a single day. Hold true to what you wanna be. Never let go, and here's the key. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only you, only you. Be you, yeah, only
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, excuse the super messy studio. I just made it even messier. But I hope she loves this as much as I do. I think this is super cool. I love the composition. I love the split color base coat. If it had all been gray, it wouldn't have worked. If it had all been the dark blue, I don't think it would have been as interesting. So I'm really happy I did that. I love the way it spun out and created some unexpected motion. I love the way, because of the splatter, there was a lot of paint even after I did my splatter blows there. So kind of like a big puddle in the center still. So as it spun out, it created this little wave here that all the splatters gathered on. Yeah, that is so cool. I love that unexpected motion there. I love that I kept that one big long spike coming out from that kind of floral center. I think that's super cool too. The center turned out really good. I didn't end up doing a balloon dip in the center. I actually quite like that. It's a little more blue and turquoise on top. It's a little more gold on the bottom, but I think that's really cool the way that layered out. Let's see, where else can I take you? Spin the canvas around here. The parts up in the gray I think are beautiful also. That's a really cool structure there. Looks like a bloom. Some really cool spirals happening up in here. Look at that unicorn spiral right there. And that stripy part there, that's really cool. And all the splatters out here on the outside edge. That one's really nice too on the edge. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. I hope she likes it too. Let's see how she dries. And there she is dry. That blue and the gray actually dried even darker than what they were before. And I think that gray even has more, the blue tint is much more apparent in it now that it's dry. I think it's gorgeous. I love the central structure. I love all the craziness on the outside. I love me some chaos. The splatter blows spun out beautifully. Some great shine and sparkle to the metallics in there. I'm very happy with this, and fortunately so is my client. So I'm
I'll be delivering this to her tomorrow, and she has commissioned me for another one. So this one is a 24 by 36. The next one is going to be 48 by 60. Same basic color scheme. She wants the blues and greens, a little bit of gold and white. And but on the larger canvas, we're going to do some ring pours, I think. So she wants lots of motion. So stay tuned for that on my next video. And thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe if you'd like to see more. And go mix up some paints and be fearless.